Hi everyone. Today I would like to explain eigenvalues and eigenvectors topic, which plays an important role in PG entrance examinations for undergraduate students. Let me explain eigenvector definition. Let x be a non-zero vector and it is said to be an eigenvector if there exists a number lambda such that Ax is equal to lambda x. So in this situation, lambda is called eigenvalue and x is called eigenvector. So this is the main definition. We should remember this relation. If there exists a number lambda such that Ax is equal to lambda x, then x is called eigenvector. Other names for eigenvalues and eigenvectors are: first name, characteristic values are characteristic vectors. And one more name, latent value or latent vector. Now let me explain how to find eigenvalues and eigenvectors of a matrix A. Suppose A equals to 1, 2, 0, 3. I have this matrix. Now I want to find eigenvalues first. To get eigenvalues, I will give one more definition for that eigenvalues. The root of characteristic equation is called eigenvalue of a matrix. What is characteristic equation of a matrix A? Suppose A is any order of the square matrix, then characteristic equation of that square matrix is determinant of A minus lambda I is equal to 0. Now for this matrix, I want to find here characteristic equation. Now here, first let me find A minus lambda I matrix. So here for the given matrix, order is 2 by 2 square matrix. I also 2 by 2 identity matrix. Then it will be 1, 2, 0, 3 minus lambda is a number 1, 0, 0, 1. Now if you simplify, it will be 1 minus lambda, first element, first row. Second element in first row is 2. Next come to second row. Second row, first element is 0. Third row, second element in second row is 3 minus lambda. Now find determinant of this A minus lambda I and equate to 0. That will be determinant of 1 minus lambda 2, 0, 3 minus lambda equals to 0. As we know how to find determinant to that, 1 minus lambda into 3 minus lambda minus 0. That is 1 minus lambda into 3 minus lambda equals to 0. Simplify it. One minus lambda into 3 minus lambda becomes 3 minus 4 lambda plus lambda square is equal to 0. Lambda square minus 4 lambda plus 3 is equal to 0. This equation is called characteristic equation of a matrix A. Now if you find root of this equation, that root is called eigenvalue of the given matrix A. So we know how to find roots of this quadratic equation. Here it will be factorized as lambda square minus 3 lambda minus lambda plus 3 is equal to 0. Factors are lambda minus 3 minus lambda. If you take out 1 common, it is minus lambda minus 3 is equal to 0. We can factorize like this. Lambda minus 3 into lambda minus 1 is equal to 0. Now here eigenvalues lambda equal to 3, lambda equals to 1. We got eigenvalues as 3 and 1. And one more thing we can observe here, order of the matrix is 2 by 2. We get that number of eigenvalues. Here we got through 2 eigenvalues. And here we can say that one more definition, that is algebraic multiplicity of eigenvalues, geometric multiplicity of eigenvalues. After finding eigenvectors, I will explain that. For this same example, how can we find eigenvectors? Let's see. So for this matrix we got lambda equal to 3 and lambda equals to 1. I will write here eigenvalues for this matrix, lambda equals to 1 and lambda equals to 3, 2 eigenvalues. For each and every eigenvalue we can get eigenvectors. For lambda equals to 1, I want to find here eigenvector. For that, what is the definition for eigenvector? Which equation is satisfied? That is Ax is equal to lambda x, where lambda is the eigenvalue and x is non-zero vector. For this we can write this equation as A minus lambda I into x is equal to 0, which is homogeneous form, If we solve this homogeneous equation, we can get eigenvector for this corresponding eigenvalue. Now, what is A minus lambda is simplified. We know lambda is here 1, that is 1, put here 1, A minus I. A minus I becomes, what is our given A? 1203 minus I. What is I? 1001. So then, it will be 0, 2, 0, 2. So our A minus lambda is 0, 2, 0, 2. Now we have to solve that homogeneous equation, that is 0, 2, 0, 2 into x is equal to 0. If you write the equations, here we get 0, 2, 0, 2, you take eigenvector as x1, x2. Why? Because it is 2 by 2 matrix, that's why we can get 2 unknowns. It equals to 0, 0. And write the equations here, 2x1 equals to 0, 2x2 is equal to 0. So if you write, first equation 0 into x1 plus 2 into x2 is equal to 0. 2 into x2 is equal to 0. We can't get x1. At this situation, we have to know number of free variables here. So how we get number of free variables here? According to this example, we have number of free variables here. One. Why? Because here we have two equal rows. When we get two equal rows, rank of A minus lambda I equals to 1 only. And number of unknowns are 2. So to get number of free variables, we have the formula, that is n minus rank of A minus lambda. It becomes 1. That's why we can choose any one of the variable as parameter, arbitrary constant. So here, according to this situation, directly we can get x2 as 0 and we can assume x1 as k1 or k. Now our eigenvector for the lambda equals to 1 is k comma 0. We can take out, if you take out k common, it will be 1 comma 0. For lambda equals to 1, this is the eigenvector. Like this we have to find eigenvalues and eigenvectors. Now we can get eigenvector for lambda equals to 3 also. See, let me explain that one. And for lambda equals to 1, eigenvector is k into 1 comma 0. Then take lambda equals to 3. then homogeneous equation becomes like this. A minus 3i into x is equal to 0. Now what will be a minus 3i? A minus 3i 1 minus 1 2 0 3 minus 3i 3 0 0 3. Then x1 x2 equals to 0 0. So here 1 minus 3 is minus 2, 2 minus 0, 2, 0, 0, 3 minus 3, 0, and unknown matrix, unknown eigenvector x1, x2 is equal to 0, 0. So here also same situation, we got 1, 0 row. So according to that, rank of A is 1. Now if you write the equations here, minus 2x1 plus 2x2 equals to 0. Now in this case, we can't get the values directly. So we can choose any one variable as constant k. Now I will take x1 as k. Then automatically x2 also k. Why? Because from this equation x2 equals to x1. Now what is the eigenvector for lambda equals to 3? x1 is k, x2 is k. If you take out k common here, it will be 1, 1. Right. So here for lambda equals to 1, we got eigenvector as 1, 0. This is k. And lambda equals to 3, we got eigenvector as 1, 1. Now let me explain here algebraic multiplicity and algebraic multiplicity of eigenvalue lambda 1 first of all. So when you get 1, 2 values of eigenvalues, we can treat lambda 1 and lambda 2. Algebraic multiplicity of lambda 1 equals to, for this problem, is 1. 1 is repeated one time only. That's why algebraic multiplicity of lambda 1 is 1. And geometric multiplicity of lambda 1 equals to, how many eigenvectors we got for lambda 1 equals to 1? We got only 1. So 1. Sometimes for lambda equals to, for eigenvalue, one eigenvalue, we may get 2 eigenvectors or more eigenvectors. At that situations, it will be greater than 1. Like this, we can calculate algebraic multiplicity and geometric multiplicity of a eigenvalues. And if you write set of eigenvectors x1 and x2, this is called eigen with 0 also, including 0. This is called eigenspace. Eigenspace. Set of eigenvectors for the corresponding eigenvalues is called eigenspace. So this is about eigenvalues and eigenvectors. Thank you.